Okay.
And I roll to pet Kiara's bird.
Sure. If you'd like, you can roll animal cannon wits.
What if
Wow.
Uhu has its own will? Maybe Uhu doesn't like to be pet by strangers. Ada.
Pet.
Maybe ask
Then you can
the
contest
owner.
the
Watoto
roll.
pet, good.
You can contest the roll. Let's see.
Uhu contests the role strongly.
All right,
With
so
5 million D10s.
I want Uhu to roll Uhu's wits plus.
He's gonna pick your eyes out.
Oh no.
You can re-roll the one if you want.
Touch me.
So here's how it plays out. Watoto, you kind of make your way up to Uhu, and you get one hand on the bird before it's chaos. Absolutely, like hell has broken out inside the bar. Wind's flapping around all over the place. You're getting pecked all over. Watoto.
Watoto, sorry.
Take 1 bashing damage. Take 1 bashing damage. It's 1 slash in your health bar.
Okay.
That's what you get, Ada. Who the hell are you, Ada?